I want to open the door. I see Umbu came back. She already gone for almost 1 week. Hi, Bushiran. Hi, Umbu. Hi. Don't disturb Umbu. Don't disturb Bushiran. Hi, Umbu. Hi, sayang. Ada gedi-gedi, dadadi, 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 dadadi. Umbu. Now I can touch him. He's not angry anymore. But still, still must be careful. Umbu. Hi, Umbu. Hi, Umbu. You are famous, Umbu. Umbu, you are famous. Bushiran, don't disturb. Umbu, you are famous, Umbu. You are famous, man. Ding, 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 ding. Umbu famous, Umbu famous. Umbu already famous. The dog also can accept him already. Umbu. Umbu, don't give a cake, yeah? You don't poo-poo, yeah? Okay. Don't poo-poo in my house, yeah? The bloody Umbu. Hai, shabang, shabang, shang, shabang, shabang, shabang. Hai. Hello. Hello. Sayang Umbu. You can come to my house every day also, no problem, okay? You just take care yourself. Bushiran, don't disturb Umbu. Hi Umbu. Umbu kedibong. Umbu bin kedibong. So I think tonight Umbu will sleep there. Bushiran, take care Umbu, okay? You don't do bad to Umbu. If I found the owner, I would tell him, come on, give me or just sell me in the cheap price. If Umbu will stay with me, he will die in peace. He can live how long he want. That is me. Ding 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 ding. Umbu. This is the cow. I don't know belong to who. Already 1 week gone.